The fourth important point which I wanted to say is just have a concept of blood pressure. It's not only you go to a doctor, you sit, you give your hand and someone checks blood pressure and these are the numbers. So some people think blood pressure is a number. So they will ask me, my age is 70, so 180 blood pressure is okay for me. Is it according to my age? It is not like that. It's a myth. It's a wrong concept. Whatever is your age, your blood pressure should be 140/80. There is no, you are not getting any advantage by having a more age so that more higher blood pressure is allowed. It's not like that. So blood pressure is not a number. It's a pressure. It's a dynamic thing which changes with every heartbeat. Your heart is pumping say 72 times in a minute. So every beat there is a different blood pressure in all the arteries in the body. So remember, it's a dynamic thing. It's not only doctor checked and my blood, it changes. Every minute it changes. So let's talk about the concept of 24-hour blood pressure control. It's very, very important. And nowadays we talk a lot about it because even someone visits clinic and BP is normal, still they go back home and they get problems at different timings of the day. So it's not only sufficient that your blood pressure is good when you visit the clinic, it should be good always. So if the blood pressure control is 24 hours, maximum reduction in the heart and the brain problems are seen. So it's not only you take tablet in the morning and your BP is good for 3-4 hours, it's not sufficient. Even in the night, even in the evening, even in the early morning, blood pressure control has to be good throughout 24 hours. So 24 hours good control, there is a protection to the heart, protection to the brain, and there is something called a circadian rhythm, which you know that there is a circadian rhythm in the body. As we sleep in the night, some changes occur early morning and throughout the day. This circadian rhythm, our blood pressure also changes. In the night it goes down, we call it as a night dip, and early morning it is slightly high. So this circadian rhythm needs to be maintained, and the blood pressure should not change too much throughout the day. Like many patients say my blood pressure fluctuates. So actually we should also see that it should not be fluctuating. So that is your doctor's job, to have a correct kind of a tablet so that you have a 24 hours good blood pressure. This is very interesting and I think everyone loves to talk about this, is white coat hypertension. So today I am wearing a black coat, but usually we wear white coat in our clinics, and this is described as a white coat hypertension. So a patient visits a doctor and at doctor's office or doctor's clinic that blood pressure is high, and this is extremely common dialogue for every doctor or for every patient, that whenever I come to you my blood pressure is high, otherwise when I check it my home or my family doctor my blood pressure is very good. So it's a very, very common dialogue. It happens, it is a phenomena, and this is true. So we always believe in this. Yes, if you are saying your blood pressure is normal at home and it only goes high at the clinic, we accept it, that this is called as white coat hypertension. But what it shows, that in the day, many times when you are exposing yourself to such a kind of a mild stress that you are seeing a doctor is checking your blood pressure, that time your BP is going high. So many times in the day, maybe in the traffic jams, maybe in the other situations, your BP is going up. That's what white coat hypertension tells us. It is not good. So even at the doctor's clinic, we have done, like at our SKDC center, we have meditation timings. So if I check a blood pressure 180/96, and the same patient goes and sits for meditation and the breathing technique for 20 minutes, and you check blood pressure after 20 minutes, it is so many times it is bang normal. It is so much of important of simple breathing technique. So even white coat hypertension has its own problems. Another thing is very described is early morning blood pressure. So it is seen that in the early morning time, that around between 6 a.m. and morning 12, this is the time when people get heart attacks and the paralysis attack or the stroke or the brain attacks. Why it happens? Because there is a rhythm, and many times blood pressure goes high in the early morning time. So that our tablet should be like that design, that your early morning blood pressure surge should not be seen. So we encourage our patients to check their blood pressure at home. So we say that have a good machine, which are most of the machines are validated. You can check your blood pressure at home. So one of the timing is early morning. When you get up, you check your blood pressure. Second time is in the evening, 7 or 8 p.m. That is again the time when you should check your blood pressure. So these are the standard times. In between, so many times you can check. But it's a good idea to check your blood pressure at home and write it down. It helps your doctor to design your prescription or the drugs.